Here we are on Unit 3, Activity 5, which is the culminating activity for Unit 3. So now that you've done a lot of things to help you prepare for the job, this is going to be your last step of getting that job. So you're going to look back through the other activities that you've done in this unit. And you're going to think about some of your transferable skills. So here you'll be applying what you've learned by getting creative. You'll be enhancing your innovation, creativity, and entrepreneurship skills. So make sure that you watch this video in completion before you move on to the rest of the activity. So what you're going to be doing for this activity is the assessment opportunity, which is for marks. So in this assessment, you'll be considering your learning from Unit 3. So please read the following tasks carefully, and I will be marking this work. So you're going to get ready for the interview. So look back over the activities and figure out which job did you end up applying for. Remember, you had to pick from one of these three. So you're either applying for the YMCA summer camp counselor, a landscaper, or electrical apprentice. I also want you to look back over your resume and your cover letter and have them on hand to help you answer these questions and apply them to you as much as you can. So, detailed interview answers is your task 1. So, great news, you've been invited for an interview for the job that you applied for. The interview questions have been sent to you in advance. Be prepared to answer each question in detail. Use your imagination and your own experiences to help you answer. Use the STAR method to help. Create a voice or video recording of you answering each question. And if you're not sure what the STAR method is, I go into it here. So it's a situation, task, action, and result. So try and use that in your answers. So a situation that you've been in, the task that you had the responsibility for in that situation, the action. So what steps did you take to address whatever it is? And then the result, what came about from the task that you had to do. So here are your 6 interview questions that you need to answer specifically as much as you can about yourself. So tell me a bit about yourself. Number 2, when you were faced with a problem in your work or personal life, how do you go about solving it? Explain the steps you take. 3, in today's workplace, teamwork is essential. Describe one experience from your educational or work experience where you had to work as a member of a team. Explain the good and bad points of working as a team. 4, describe one of your strengths. Give an example of how that strength could help you in the workplace. 5, describe one of your weaknesses. Give an example of a strategy that you could use to help you improve on that weakness. And then 6, why do you want this job? Your next task is the employee manual summary. So let's pretend, congratulations, you got hired. Now they're giving you an employee manual to read over. And you can click on that employee manual here. And what I want you to do is summarize it around 200 words in length in a Word document, and make sure that you try and cover as much as you can, and you can look through the subheadings or bolded words, but you don't want to give me too much detail. You're just summarizing it. And then you're going to submit here. If you have questions, make sure you reach out and ask.